Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Today is a no-nonsense recipe. I had some chicken, some cheese, some eggs and some chives lying in my fridge. And I thought to myself, what can I make with these ingredients? And it hit me. I'm going to make a chicken and cheese and chive omelette. But then I was like, nah, that's not exciting enough. So I decided we'll make a crustless quiche. So we're going to use all those ingredients and a little bit more and make a delicious crustless quiche. A keto quiche, of course. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's go and cook. So the first thing we're going to do is take 4 eggs and crack them into a big bowl. Remember, you want to get nice fresh eggs. Then I'm going to add in some heavy whipping cream or double cream or Amul fresh cream depending on which part of the world you live in. I'm going to season this with some salt, some pepper, some cayenne pepper and a little bit of paprika. And then I'm going to give it all a good mix. Now remember, you can use any kind of seasonings you like. I wanted to keep it really plain and simple, so I have not done anything too fancy. Once that's done, I'm going to add in some cheese, and this is just some grated cheddar cheese. In goes some chopped up roasted chicken. You can use any meat of your choice. Some sun-dried tomatoes for a little bit of pizzazz, and some chopped chives. Once again, you can use any of the herbs you like, oregano, parsley, it's completely up to you. Anyway, give that all a good mix. And that's the mixture for our quiche. Then I'm going to take my quiche dish and I'm going to generously butter it up. You can also use olive oil for this, no problem. Bacon fat, no problem. Coconut oil, whatever you like. Then we're going to add in the quiche mixture to that. Fill it right up to the top. Give it a little shake, a little tap on the board. And then my friends, this goes into a preheated oven at about 190 degrees Celsius for about 15 or 20 minutes till it cooks all the way through. And once the oven goes ping, your quiche is done and ready. Oh yeah, that looks absolutely delicious. Oh yeah, I can't wait to taste this. But don't worry, I'm not going to leave you hanging. I'm just going to cut out a slice of this quiche. Just use a knife and some other kitchen tools and get that slice right out. Wow, that looks delicious. Enough jibber jabber, my friends. Time to taste. Alright folks, so it's time to taste the quiche and it's almost like a fat pizza and it looks delicious. Ooh, and it smells like chicken and the sun-dried tomatoes are there and the chives. Oh yeah, this. Oh yeah. That is a beautiful mix of flavors. The little bit of tartness from the sun-dried tomatoes, the chicken, the meatiness of it, the cheesiness of the quiche. But I'm going to be honest with you guys. Really honest. It's delicious. Takes nothing away from the deliciousness of this dish. But it's a glorified omelette. I break no bones. Sticks and stones can break my bones, but words will never hurt. I'm not really criticizing. All I'm saying is it's great. It's easy to make. But remember, at the end of the day, it is a glorified omelette. A chicken, cheese, chive and sun-dried tomato omelette. Anyway, enough jibber jabber. I'm going to go and finish this delicious crustless quiche and I will see you on the next episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Cheers and keep cooking. It's just a really good omelette. I'm not even joking. Really good omelette. And it's easy to make.